In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Can you unscramble this name to find the Prophet? Hazrat Harun, peace be upon him. Try to figure out the Prophet's name from these scrambled letters. Hazrat Saleh, peace be upon him. Guess the Prophet's name hidden in this jumble of letters. Hazrat Yusuf, peace be upon him. Can you decode the scrambled name of this Prophet? Hazrat Yunus, peace be upon him. Rearrange these letters to reveal the name of a prophet. Hazrat Idris, peace be upon him. What prophet's name is hidden in this mixed-up word? Hazrat Dawood, peace be upon him. Solve the anagram to find the name of a prophet. Hazrat Yahya, peace be upon him. Can you make sense of this scrambled prophet's name? Hazrat Ayub, peace be upon him. Test your skills. Unscramble these letters to find the prophet's name. Hazrat Yaqub, peace be upon him. Which prophet's name is hidden in this word, scramble? Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him. Figure out the prophet's name from this letter jumble. Hazrat Nuh, peace be upon him. What is the correct name of this prophet? The letters are mixed up. Hazrat Lut, peace be upon him. Can you rearrange the letters to find out which prophet this is? Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him. Use your brain power. What prophet's name is hidden here? Hazrat Musa, peace be upon him. A prophet's name is hidden in this anagram. Can you solve it? Hazrat Ismail, peace be upon him. Here's a tricky one. Unscramble the letters to find the prophet. Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Can you untangle these letters and find the prophet's name? Hazrat Zakaria, peace be upon him. A prophet's name is hiding in plain sight. Unscramble it. Hazrat Sulaiman, peace be upon him.
Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Jazakallahu khairan.